Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we will see how many Tamil Nadu State students have got allotment through All India Counselling conducted by MCC. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. If you need expert guidance to get best medical college within your budget, contact admission helpline 044 4631 3330. Tamil Nadu candidates choose Tamil Nadu colleges in their college preferences during MCC counselling. They have taken close to 368 MBBS seats from Tamil Nadu colleges. 40 Tamil Nadu candidates picked JIPMER and 1 picked Indira Gandhi Medical College, Puducherry. 12 students have taken admission from AIMS and other top colleges in Andhra. 9 students picked AIMS, Bhubaneswar. 5 picked Kerala Government Medical Colleges. 1 OBC Tamil Nadu candidate with AR close to 9,000 picked Palakkad Medical College. The average NEET score of students of Palakkad Medical College is one of the lowest in government medical colleges across India. If the candidate has chosen this college by mistake, he should correct it during the next counselling. 3 Tamil Nadu students each picked MBBS All India quota seats from Karnataka and Telangana. From various AIMS in Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Maharashtra and Uttarakhand, 17 MBBS seats have been taken. Total of 443 All India quota MBBS seats were taken by Tamil Nadu candidates. Now let's see how many candidates picked top Tamil Nadu colleges. Out of the 50 seats in AIMS Madurai, 22 seats were taken by Tamil Nadu candidates. Out of the 37 seats in MMC and Stanley, 30 were taken. A total of 192 MBBS seats were taken. Let's consider Mohammad Rashid, who secured BCM category rank 8 and All India rank 2313. He got MBBS seat in Kilpauk Medical College through All India quota. He can get Madras Medical College for his category rank through Tamil Nadu State Counselling. So he is most likely to resign allotted seat through All India quota and pick seat through Tamil Nadu State quota. You can see how many Tamil Nadu candidates preferred new medical colleges through All India quota. Tiruvallur is the most preferred new government college, followed by Tirupur Government College. Least preferred is Nagapattinam. For Tamil Nadu State quota also, we can expect a similar trend. When it comes to deemed university allotment, 2 Tamil Nadu students picked Manipal Tata Medical College. 1 student picked Jain minority quota in SBKS Medical College, Gujarat. Rest all Tamil Nadu candidates picked deemed university medical colleges from Tamil Nadu. Prasad, All India rank 17,436 and NEET score 603, picked Sri Ramachandra Medical College even though he could get seat in government medical college through state quota. SRM and Savita Medical College were preferred by Tamil Nadu candidates after Sri Ramachandra Medical College. You can see the number of seats picked in each medical college here and the corresponding closing rank for Tamil Nadu candidates. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Contact admission helpline 044 4631 3330 if you need expert guidance to get best medical college within budget for your NEET score. See you in the next video.